At Cargill, we're always looking for ways to create a faster, better experience for you when you deliver grain. That's why we're updating the check-in process at our plants. In the past, when you arrived at the plant, you would pull up and press the call button to speak with someone. Together, you'd review your account information before moving forward to unload. Now, we're introducing a self-service kiosk to make that process quicker and more efficient. When you arrive at the plant, pull up to the kiosk. Instead of pressing a call button, wave your RFID card in front of the scanner to begin. The kiosk will guide you step by step through the check-in process. You'll review your account information, confirm that everything is correct, and make any necessary updates directly on the screen. Take a moment to carefully review the information displayed. The information on the screen will be the last load that was checked in with this RFID card. If all information on the screen is correct, and no change is needed, please hit the Yes button and you will be checked in. If anything needs to be changed, select No to update the information at the kiosk. For any specific changes to the following categories, please select their respective blue button on the right side of the screen. Product. Press this button if hauling a different product than what is showing on the white line to select from the available products at that location. History. Press this button if changing the customer's name for this load, or if you would like to change for the account of. If you do not see the correct account, press the call button above the screen and someone will assist you. Splits. Press this button if changing the farm split associated with this specific load's ownership. Contract. Press this button if changing the contract type for the processing of this load. Options will vary by location. And notes. Press this button for any specific notes you would like to add to the ticket, such as the name or number of the field, if the product is coming from an elevator and has a bill of lading associated with the load, or any additional information you may want to tie to the load for your reference. These notes are for customer use only and will not be used for payment processing. After any and all updates have been made, proceed by pressing the Submit button at the top of the screen. Once all your information has been confirmed or updated, wait until the screen turns green to pull forward to the next step. It's that simple. If you need assistance at any time, just press the call button on the kiosk. Someone will be available to help you. If you have general questions about this change, please contact your local customer support representative. This new process is designed with you in mind, to create a faster, better experience every time you deliver. We appreciate your partnership and look forward to continuing to serve you. Thank you for choosing Cargill.